Hi team, happy Friday. All right, we are moving through this so fast. You guys are crushing it. You're almost done with your meal plan. You just have today's meal and then one more meal next week to plan. And then you'll submit your final meal plan by next Friday. So with that being said, let's go ahead and review really fast. I'll show you what my sample meal plan is, and then you guys will get a chance to do yours. Here we go. So we start here. One block has all three macronutrients in it. The three macronutrients are protein, carbs, and fats. There's 7 grams of protein, 9 grams of carbs, and 3 grams of fat in one block. The average adult female is allotted 11 blocks per day, and the average adult male is allotted 14 blocks per day. I'm using the average adult male as my sample, and then you all are using the average adult female. So my numbers will be different than yours, but follow along for that practice. We write down all 5 meals: breakfast, snack 1, lunch, snack 2, and dinner. Then we want to go ahead and figure out how many blocks they will get at each meal. So the T is for total. My client is getting 3 blocks for breakfast, 1 block for snack 1 and snack 2, 4 blocks for lunch, and then 5 blocks for dinner. We saw that the lunch is pretty big for 4 blocks. And so the snacks seem to be on the lighter side, but if you think about eating 5 meals throughout the day, it ends up being that you won't be very hungry as long as you space it out well. So then the next thing we want to do is figure out how many grams of macronutrients are in each meal. And so we take the total number of blocks and multiply it by the macronutrient grams. That my client would have 21 grams of protein, 27 grams of carbs, and 9 grams of fats. I do that all the way down for all of the meals. All right, so now I'm on to my snack number 2 and planning that. I gave my client just an easy snack. I like to think in terms of that they're just getting out of school. They want something quick to eat before they have dinner. And so for my snack number 2, I chose cheese, apple, and peanut butter. So my client would get 1 ounce of cheese. They would get half of an apple, and I would assume that they would slice that up to use it in the half a teaspoon of peanut butter. And so they could dip their apple in their peanut butter, or they could wrap it in the cheese, whatever they choose to do. But they now have a delicious snack that's light for after school, because their dinner is going to be huge because it's bigger than what they had for lunch, and their lunch was already pretty big. All right, guys, your turn. You're planning your snack number 2 for today. Please make sure you're keeping it all written down. You'll see on the next slide that I have been keeping them in one document, but for your final project, you're going to be putting it on an Excel spreadsheet. And I'll show you how to do that before you actually have to submit it, but make sure you're keeping this all written down somewhere. You guys are doing amazing. I am so proud of you. You've got this. Keep crushing it. Have a good day, team.